Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to guide you through checking your Reddit upvotes. It's a simple process, so let's get started. Whether you're using the Reddit app or browsing on reddit.com, you'll be able to see various posts. If you've upvoted a post, simply tap the little up arrow next to it. To view all the posts you've upvoted, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then select History right below Saved. This will display your entire history. You can filter your history from recent activity to posts you've uploaded. By selecting Uploaded, you'll see all the posts you've upvoted. For example, here's a post that I recently upvoted. You can scroll through and see every post you've upvoted. If you want to manage any of your upvoted posts, you can change your vote, remove the upvote, or even save the post to your Reddit account or your device. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.